everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign out of all devices on Nunchuk Wallet. So the first thing you'll need to do in order to sign out of all devices on Nunchuk Wallet is to open up the wallet itself. Once you open up your wallet, make sure that you are logged into one of your wallets. Once you're inside, tap on the profile button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the profile page, tap on Account Settings. Within the Account Settings menu, navigate to the option that says Logged in Devices. You will now see a list of devices currently signed into your Nunchuk wallet. To revoke access from all of them, tap on Sign out of all devices at the very bottom of the screen. Soon after you do that, you will be able to sign out Nunchuk Wallet from every devices, effectively severing unauthorized access. So that is how you will be able to sign out of all devices on Nunchuk Wallet to ensure the security of your cryptocurrency. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.